Today I'm going to show you a bow staff combo with 2 strikes and 2 tricks. Here's what it's going to look like. You start in a punch, you're going to do a front spin with a throw, then around the neck, and then finally end in a reverse strike. Here's how you're going to do it. We're going to start in our right hand out, right foot forward punch or 45 strike position. From here, we're going to bring that right hand towards the left hand until your left hand's around the middle of the bow. So you're going to let it slide down and in. Once it's around the middle, we can let go with that right hand. Then as we turn, we're going to rotate this so that the palm is out. We're going to grab that right hand, step over with the right, do our front spin with throw. Once you've caught the bow from your front spin with throw, you're going to bring it behind your back, left behind, twist, right steps out to do a full spin. From here, you're going to bring the bow out with your right hand, rotate it so the palm's facing down, around the neck. You're going to pull it out a little bit, enough that you can grab it here with your right hand, palm facing towards you, left foot comes behind, spin out, reverse strike. So you're going to start in that right foot forward front stance. When you bring the bow behind your back, the left foot is going to slide up so that they're even. Then it's going to step over so you can do your front spin with throw. Bring it behind your back, step across 360 to do the around the neck, behind, punch. So again, to summarize, you start in your punch, you bring the bow behind the back as you turn towards the back, turn towards the front spin with throw, pull 360 as it goes behind your back, around the neck, grab, reverse strike. Thanks for watching the whole video. I hope you learned the combo. If you did, please give a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and check out my channel for lots of other bow staff related videos.